Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. कैसे हैं आप सभी? I've been watching some YouTubers lately and I thought I should also have, like a fixed introductory line like, Hi, this is HK and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or maybe something interesting. और क्या हो सकता है? Hey, this is HK. How are you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Something like that. I don't know. आप लोग मुझे please बताएं comment section में कि what do you want me to say as an introductory line? Something you want to suggest me which is like interesting. I may use it from the next video. Do let me know in the comment section. So moving on, जैसे कि आप सभी ने title तो अभी तक guess कर ही लिया होगा कि title क्या है. I'll be doing a makeup look which is quite a rage this season. It's the dewy makeup look with my special touch to it, of course, which I personally absolutely adore and I really like it. और मुझे पता है जब मैं dewy makeup में pictures post करती हूँ तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. So watch along for the secret and my favorite twist. आपको दिखाती हूँ मैं कि कितना simple, as I said, it'll have my touch to it. So it may not be like how the actual dewy makeup is done. But if you notice my pictures on Instagram, उनमें कई बार makeup मैंने करा हुआ है और आप लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया है, तो I'll share that how do I do it and how simple it is. So first, always start with a fresh and clean face. So for that, I use this, the Dermaco's 1% salicylic acid gel face wash. It's very effective. तो सबसे पहले हम face wash कर लेते हैं. This much is enough. Here you go. Okay, face wash हो चुका है. And I use this product as it takes care of excess oil that is produced on my skin. Also, आप सभी को पता ही होगा कि salicylic acid is the best solution for acne. So this product, what this does, it gently exfoliates my skin as well. तो before starting makeup, जब भी makeup शुरू होना होता है, उससे पहले I always ensure that my skin is oil free. It is very important. तो मैं salicylic acid को अपने skin care में हमेशा रखती हूँ क्योंकि ये मुझे acne की प्रॉब्लम से हमेशा बचाता है. तो इस प्रोडक्ट का जो हीरो इंग्रेडिएंट है सैलिसिलिक एसिड है, यानी कि BHA, बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड. मैं आपको बताती हूँ BHA क्या करता है. सो BHA आर ऑयल सॉल्युबल एसिड्स. I know, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. जब मैंने पहली बार जाना तो ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू नो मोर अबाउट इट. तो इसका ये मतलब है कि ये प्रोडक्ट आपकी स्किन के डीपेस्ट पोर्स में जाकर डेड स्किन सेल्स और एक्सेस सीबम को रिमूव करता है. दैट इज so good and so important, in the polluted cities we live. रेगुलर फेस मास्क पहन के ना, मतलब आपकी स्किन के इश्यूज जो है ना बढ़ जाते हैं, एक्ने बढ़ जाता है. तो दिस प्रोडक्ट विल हेल्प यू टू कॉम्बैट दैट इशू टू. यूज इट ट्वाइस डेली. हाँ, आई थिंक ट्वाइस डेली इज मोर देन इनफ. ज़्यादा साबुन, ज़्यादा फेस वॉश भी चेहरे पे नहीं लगाना चाहिए. 2 बार दिन में इज मोर देन इनफ. एंड ऑल्सो डू अ पैच टेस्ट. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट अपनी, a new product, whatever you introduce a new product, whenever you introduce a new product to your skin, you should definitely do a patch test first. That is very important. So do a patch test. So I'll top it up with a face serum from the same range, which is 2% salicylic acid serum. So you know what, guys, always use products of the same range. Effects जो है ना आप देखेंगे multiply करेंगे if you use the products of the same range. Apply 2-3 drops of the serum on the entire face and neck. Gently massage until the serum gets absorbed. You can use this before you go to bed as well. So I am providing all the links to this product below. So do check them out. And do not forget to use my coupon code, which is NAT20, to get that 20% off on your purchase from their website, which is www.thedermaco.com. It is very important to start taking care of your skin, guys, and that too, from an early age. मैं हमेशा आप सब लोगों को ये बात बोलती हूँ. एंड द डर्माको इज़ एन ऑनेस्ट ब्रांड, ये मैं आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ. You know, they highlight the percentage of active ingredients they use in their products which they sell. So this is really cool, you know, nothing's hidden. You're very sure of what you're using and you exactly know what your skin is getting. So let's just begin. Can you see this little tiny pimple over here? नया मेहमान, वैसे ये जाने वाला है, काफ़ी पहले आया था, तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. And I am only going to use my fingers. I have the blending brush. I think I'll stick to my fingers. क्योंकि आप मॉइस्चराइज़र या सीरम पहले लगाते हो फेस पे तो बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड भी हो जाता है आपका फाउंडेशन. सो आई थिंक दिस इज इट. Yeah, let me just powder it a bit. This is Studio Fix. I use Max NC40. So I'm just going to powder it a little bit. Make sure आप अपना neck भी अच्छे से करें. I'm going to take this sketch. I'm going to fill my brows a bit. Brows मुझे एकदम properly चाहिए होती हैं. I hope you guys can see. See, there's a light in it. Like a kid. I'm telling you all this. I think I'm done. Just gonna brush them a bit to make them look a little more natural. वो जो strokes हैं बहुत natural दिखते हैं फिर, तो ऐसा नहीं made up नहीं दिखती हैं eyebrows. So that's what I'm doing so that you can easily remove the leftovers. Done. I think I'm set with my eyebrows. Now I'll tell you what do I do with the, what else? Okay, let me just do a little bit of contouring. I'll contour a bit. I don't do a lot of contouring. अलग बात है, मैंने weight put on कर लिया है. But कोई बात नहीं है. Once I start exercising, I'll lose the weight, excess weight. अभी मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ because you know I'm still on the road to recovery. पता नहीं मुझे कब तक बोलना पड़ेगा, but मैं कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. मैं I know myself, I know my body. मैं easily shed कर लूँगी थोड़ा सा hard work करके, वो issue नहीं है. But I just want to recover completely. मुझे कोई risk नहीं लेना. Already 2 महीने हो चुके हैं. Just 1 more month maybe, then I will get back to my exercise. चलो थोड़ा सा मैं सब उल्टा पुल्टा करती हूँ. I know people do eyes first so that आप बाद में अपना cheeks clear करके बाद में blush on वगैरह यूज़ करें, but मैं सब पहले करती हूँ और बहुत ही minimal करती हूँ. Okay, so I think I'm done with the blush. That's it, as I mentioned. मेरे पास brush है, but let me use my fingers. आप लोगों को दिख रहा है. So this is the color I'm using. This, it's almost nude. Dewy है तो, you know, usually you should not have a lot of colors on your face. That's what I believe. As I said, this is with my touch. People have different ways to do dewy makeup. Okay. I think I'm done with my eyelids. This brown I'm gonna do right here, नीचे थोड़ा सा, to define my eyes. ये मेकअप आपने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया था मेरे एक इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट पे. This is it. Highlighter. Let me use this one. The mascara. Mascara plays a very important role in doing makeup. आपका mascara बहुत ही proper होना चाहिए. fill in your lashes with a good amount of a decent, don't overdo it, but a decent amount of mascara. Like I've done. I don't know whether you can figure the difference out. Let me do the lower lash. Now the lower lash. Okay. Mascara is done. A little bit in my waterline. Any light color would do. This is beige. Kiko Milano number 4. This one's one of my favorites. In all my dewy makeup videos or pictures, you will see I use this in my waterline. अब बारी आती है जो मेन प्रोडक्ट है, दो मेन प्रोडक्ट्स टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. पहला है ये डूई मेकअप में हाइलाइटर जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. Right amount, again you have to know your face well and you have to know the right amount to be applied right on your cheeks. Just light it up. Yes. On your nose. Over here. A little bit here. Slide on the left cheek. As I said, that highlighter plays a very important part. Okay, highlighter done. I am going to take this shadow brush, eyeshadow brush, take a little bit of highlighter and apply it right on the corner of my eye, inner corner. So this kind of defines your eyes and makes it even more dewy and, you know, adds a little bit of extra gloss on your entire makeup look. I love doing it. You all should try it. I think that's it. I don't know how am I looking. I can't really see myself like I want to see myself in a full frame. What I'm going to do is, on my lips, honestly, I don't apply anything when it comes to dewy makeup look. This is it. This is a gloss. It's a transparent gloss with a little bit of glitter in it. I think it's in the shade of pink. Light pink. A little more. You know, tip pe hamesha when it's a dewy makeup or glossy lips, whenever you do glossy lips and especially in a light color, always apply that extra bit on your tips right here, like I am doing it over here and here. It really, really defines your lips. And I am done. What I'm going to do to my hair, अभी मैं आपको roughly दिखा रही हूँ, but आप definitely इसको अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. Just clip it too. Okay. This is not a hairstyle video. This is a dewy makeup video, but I'm just trying to show you that how it looks, and just because you really, really like it, which is why I'm making this extra effort for you guys. So I have these pair of earrings and I can do them with this outfit. So here you go. And another one. Oh God, I'm not done this in ages. कितना टाइम हो गया है मुझे ऐसे सजने धजने से, जहाँ पर मैं ऐसे इंडियन आउटफिट स्पेशली, आप अदरवाइज बाकी सारी चीज़ें तो पहन ही लेते हैं. I know I have pictures posted on Instagram in this. As I said, I love velvet and I love velvet suits, velvet lehengas. So यही सामने दिखा तो I thought let me just go for this. So this is it guys. Tell me how did you like it? कैसा लगा आपको? बताएं मुझे, मैं भी ज़रा अपने आप को थोड़ा क्लोजअप में देखूं. Tell me. तो आप छोटे ब्रश से ये जो फ्लाईअवेज है या बेबी हेयर है, इसको भी अच्छे से जेल से आप पीछे you can comb it back well. you can set them properly. And yeah, how can I forget? सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And let's see. I'm really expecting 1 million subscribers soon on YouTube. I want the gold button, guys. Come on, hurry up, subscribe, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I messed up. Bye.